They actually sound scary.
Want to see Chris ahead by her house? Baseball-sized hail. But look at her windshield from it.
Holy crap. Dude, I wish I had my siren right now.
Where's it at?
My teacher has it. My for storm chasing.
I've been recording all the way outside for a little while. Did your friends go home, I'm assuming?
Yeah, they already went home.
What time they go home at?
Like 6. Dude, it sounds awesome. Did the power just go out?
No, I turned it off.
Oh. Heck yeah. Does it sound scary?
You used to be scared of that.
Heck no, I'm not scared of this anymore. Oh yeah, that wind down. I love that. Dude, that sounds beautiful. The wind down.
You're a nerd.
Shut up. Hear it winding down. I like it. Dun.
It's been lightning for a long time. The whole way I drove home from Jenny's house.
I wouldn't think there would have been like a tornado warning.
Dude, there were some gusts like on the road that I was like, whoa, when I started getting closer to here.
I can still hear the wind down. Do you hear it?
Yep.
Dude, I just got chills. Like, this is honestly scary, except, like, I just like to hear the tornado sirens.